This video will show you how to make a rolling planar object animation in Blender. Please watch it up to the very end. When you open Blender, first press Delete to delete the default cube. Come up here and click on this icon to switch this area from 3D viewport to Preferences. Make sure Add-ons is selected, then click here on the search box and type in Extra Objects, then activate this Add Curve Extra Objects add-on. Now come back and click on this icon, then switch back to 3D viewport. Press Shift to then go to Curve, then go down here on Curve Spirals and add an Archimedean spiral. Come here and click on this drop-down arrow to expand its settings panel. Increase the radius growth to about 0.45, then increase the turns to about 5 also. Click here also and change the spiral direction to clockwise. Now press Tab to go to the object mode. Press Shift to then go to Mesh and add a plane. Now press Tab to go to the Edit mode and press S then Y then 10 to scale it up along the Y by 10. Press Ctrl or then 100 and click, then right click to add 100 edge loops. Now press Tab to go back to the object mode. Now click here to go to the modifier properties, then click on Add Modifier, then go to Deform and add a curve modifier. Click on this box under Curve Object and choose the spiral. Select this spiral and press or then Y then 90 to rotate it along the Y by 90. Now select this plane and come back to the modifier properties and change this deform axis from X to -Y. Select this spiral, then press G then Y to move it forward along the Y. Press S to scale it down until part of it is no longer rolled. Now press Tab to go to the Edit mode. Select this last vertex, then press E then Y to extrude it backwards along the Y. Press Tab to go back to the object mode. Now if you select this plane and press G then Y to move it along the Y, you can see it unrolling and rolling. Now press G then Y and move it backwards up to that point. Expand on this timeline and activate this auto keying button. Now press G then Y and move it up to a starting point of your liking to assign a keyframe there. Go to frame 100 then press G then Y and move it forward up to an end point of your liking. Now come back to the modifier properties and click on Add Modifier, then go to Generate and add a subdivision surface modifier. Click here to increase the viewport levels to 2, then go to Object and shade it smooth. Now if you play it, you can see it rolling. Go back to the modifier properties, then click on Add Modifier, then go to Generate and add a Solidify modifier. Click on it here and hold, then move it above the subdivision surface modifier. Now if you play it, you can see it looking better. And now we are done. You can now go ahead to work on your scene further in Render. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial up to now. I really appreciate. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.